If you've been thinking about the Vermont Chalky Paint ProPack and not sure how exactly that works, well, you are in the right spot. I'm Sarah Spencer. I'm the founder and CEO of Vermont Chalky Paint. It's a non-toxic decorative paint that's mine manufactured and made here in Vermont. We have some neutral colors and we also have some brighter colors to join into our color palette with Vermont Chalky Paint's ProPacks. Greystone is our most popular ProPack that we have. It's versatile, it goes in cooler decor, and definitely fits into most modern kitchens. We put our base coat down. Yes, this goes great in a spray gun, so if you want that factory finish, you want to make sure that you sand the piece completely, put your primer on, but in my instance, I wanted it distressed. So I did my base coats, let them completely dry, and then I put my drizzle on. Rubbed it in with my round brush thoroughly, and don't let it dry. You want to immediately, once you have it down, wipe it with a baby wipe and you'll get that distressed look on your cabinets every single time. So lastly, when I'm happy with the tint that I have, I just go ahead, put on my clear coat, which is a non-toxic substitute for polyurethane, and I'm ready to hang my cabinets. Easy pour, easy store jugs make this job a breeze. I use a foam brush and then I have the finish that I want for my kitchen cabinets. It's a kitchen cabinet makeover kit. It's our ProPacks at VermontChalkyPaint.com.